our stop. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Pete. We're gonna do a quick little POV drive. I actually have to go pick up stuff at the supermarket. Of course, I waited to go in a snowstorm. So I guess the topic of this video is, how long will it take till I get stuck? And as you guys are witnessing, not very long. Just gotta kind of ease into it. There we go. I'm not gonna lie, that was sort of like an oh my god moment. Yeah, so the topic of this video, summer tires, do they work in a snowstorm in a Golf R application? You know what, they get by, but oh my god, guys. I've never been so sideways in my life. I mean, it takes nothing. Clearly, yes, I am not doing myself a service by giving it a little bit of gas and also leaving stability off. For giggles, I'm gonna turn that back on and just at least get to the main road. I'm currently in my apartment association right now, and I think the last thing I want to do is have a mistake, so but they do a pretty okay job at getting us, you know, all plowed out. But as you guys can see, that we get a lot of snow. We're probably looking at maybe 8 inches is my guess, and that's pretty conservative guess, maybe a foot by now, but yeah, it's pretty gnarly. So the last time I did a snowing drive, it was in a GTI with all season tires, and I complained about it a lot, as I probably should. It was on all seasons, but again, if you put those cars in winter tires, they're fine. Now for the Golf R, this is sort of the same situation. I'm on a very inappropriate tire for its time, and or for the season, I guess you could say, and yeah, it's just gonna cause all sorts of issues. But I think this guy's gonna let us go. We'll see. See, stability's keeping us in check right now, because I promise you, I've taken that turn already twice today, and it was a different story. Oh man. Oh, I don't like that sound. No, 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 no. No me gusta. So hopefully you guys are doing well. 'Tis the season, guys. A couple more days till Christmas. That's exciting. Excited to see the family again. And then aside from that, not really anything planned for the Golf R. I have some winter tires that I'm gonna throw on. I mentioned that, and I actually did reveal them in an Instagram live. Oh, there we go. Saw that coming. Kind of have to plan everything way ahead of time if you want to stop, accelerate, and all the things around. But so far, it's doing hills fine. She's getting by. Sounds good. Alright, I'm gonna turn the, there we go. Of course, front assist is never functioning during a snowstorm. I apologize too if this is not the most visually appealing POV drive. It's very difficult driving with a GoPro right in front of my eyes. I kind of figured I'm not really gonna do the whole new theme to the GoPro, the new look, because I used to kind of go wide view, super view, and it would show a lot more, and of course the sound quality would be better because it wouldn't be right in front of my mouth. But I decided I actually really like this original view that I would typically do in my POV drives. Okay, I guess we could probably, I'll show you guys what kind of traction this thing has. I'm not gonna accelerate that hard. Oh my god, I got a plow truck behind me. Oh my god. The stress is pretty big right now. I would be a lot more confident if I had the right tires, but currently right now, I do not. This is risky biscuit. Don't do this at home. Of course, I'm on my stock, or my OEM Continental, like Contact Sport, whatever, Contact Pro, whatever they're called. And they're insane. They're very good in the summertime, especially if you get some heat in them. Oh my god, they can go for days. But in the situation of a snowstorm, a blizzard, or any snowy situation, you're gonna want to find yourself in anything but these tires. They really just don't do well at all, as per, you know, as expected. It's a summer tire. You never ever want to drive summer tire. It doesn't matter if your car is all-wheel drive, because at this point the all-wheel drive is irrelevant. We're at normal driving speeds, and it's up to really the tire, the brakes, and everything to, and mostly just the tires at this point, to kind of get this car at a full stop. And I will say, as opposed to some of the cars that I've seen driving around, even like larger SUVs, it is, you know, this car is kind of showing that it's capable. But yeah, as far as that goes, and really, I will say it is extremely tail happy, if you let it, of course. But I think because I'm kind of sketched out, I'm going to drive with traction and stability on through my campus, and then maybe we'll have a little bit of fun on our way out. But as far as this goes, it's all about kind of keeping it safe. All right, so I'm gonna go up this hill. I'm gonna give it some gas. See, it's, you know, it's doing fine. You get a little bit of traction. Well, traction the whole time actually, but you know, it can conquer it. Okay, this hill kind of sketches me out. This is where all-wheel drive comes in handy, for sure. Oh man, I'm getting dried out by this this AC. Maybe I'll pop a window. There we go. Yeah, guys, quite the New England snowstorm. It wouldn't be a New England Pete video without a snowstorm. The intake sounds unbelievably good, guys, as you can hear. Alright, so what I'm doing here is I'm going down a hill, and I feel like this is a tutorial on how to drive during a snowstorm, but I just see too many people not know how to do it, or just being incapable. But really just plan everything ahead. Give the person in front of you plenty of space, and as you see like a hill, kind of start to slow down before you even... Oh! Are we stuck, Mr. Saab? No, he's good. He's definitely more... I think I see some winter tires on his car, so he's set. Oh, man. But I will say, how do I compare this to a GTI on all seasons? So Golf R on summers versus a GTI on all seasons. I really like this. And maybe that's probably for the fun aspect. I do like going sideways, but I also really do like being able to get around. And that's something that's very, I wouldn't say easily done, but it's capable, and it's possible with this car. So far it has been handling everything pretty nicely. It sounds good too. I also have it in race mode, of course. Why would I not at this point? Here, we'll turn off traction. I don't want to turn off stability quite yet. As you guys can see, plenty of drama. All right, my concern is that this is not that plowed, but we're just gonna have to send it. Oh my God. I don't think I'm gonna make it back up this hill, but that's okay, because I'll just take another road. I'm totally not gonna make it back up this hill. Oh boy. The wipers are going nuts. Why it's doing this. It's got stability off, but I think it's probably purely traction. Damn. Alright, I'm gonna get a fat space. Oh, that Mustang, bro, if the Mustang can make the Hannaford, a Golf R certainly can. Alright, so we're gonna continue our journey. I totally forgot a mask, so that sucks. Let me check my pocket, actually. Yep, totally forgot. Good for me. So now, folks, we're gonna head back. And this is going to be a little bit more fun, because I have been putting it off for a very long time to fit my new wheels and tire setup, because I'm a lazy boy. I don't want to hit the curb. Oh boy, you guys, this thing has been a riot. Unfortunately, during my travels, I realized I don't have a mask, so I was not necessarily able to complete my quest, which was get lemonade. So I'm gonna have to go back and get my mask, which is awesome, because that means I'm gonna have to relive this whole experience again. It's been a pretty rowdy day. Of course, it's only the morning, but I spent the whole morning shoveling out this vehicle. She was stuck. She was stuck for a little bit. The all-wheel drive, I really rarely find a spot where I'm like actually stuck. I really didn't. I should have indicated. You know, part of me definitely wants to go in that lot, but I don't know if it's been, well, I'm gonna clean that window off. Oh boy. All right, just gonna open that again. Oh, same situation. You know, as long as you kind of know what you're doing, you would pretty much be all set. But that's kind of not the name of the game of this video. This is kind of just, can you drive a Golf R with summer tires? And yes, as much as you probably could, you're not gonna want to, and I highly recommend not doing it. It's really unsafe, and you know, the Golf R has all-wheel drive, right? So does the S3, the A3, you know. But I will say, the all-wheel drive is only good at getting yourself out of, you know, snowbanks and you know, very heavy snow. But when it comes to just normal driving, that's when your tires are really gonna make a big impact. Like, yeah, my all-wheel drive still will make an impact now, because if I floor it, like everything will spin. But, you know, like I said, at normal road speeds, that's when your tires are really gonna be coming, you know, handy and be key for, you know, getting around, because they're the reasons that, you know, there's a reason why there's such a thing as summer, all season, and then of course winter. And I would say this car could get by all season tires for sure. Might not be the best setup, but it's certainly something that's possible. I ran all seasons on my GTI and it was fine. So that's exactly what I'm going to be running on this car soon. And I believe I have Michelin all season tires, so stay tuned for that. They're going to be very, very they're gonna improve this driving for sure. Unfortunately, I have to take off the lightweight Pretorius, so you know, when I do want to go fast, of course, when the roads are clear, I won't have the Pretorius, but it's okay. I'll get by. But as you guys can see, this thing is pretty gnarly. So I'm gonna do like a low speed, not acceleration, but just kind of go up to speed type of deal, and you guys kind of will get a good idea as to what this thing is like. I have fourth. There we go, there's fourth. And I'm only giving it quarter throttle because, of course, when it hooks, that's when it's bad. But my God, guys, look at this snow. This is something else. Definitely not the smartest thing to do, folks. But it's okay. I'll soon have an acceptable tire on this car. Maybe not appropriate, but acceptable. All right, here's our stomp. Oh man. This thing is something else, guys. Whew. The visibility is so dicey right now. I don't want to do anything too crazy, but wow, this is so fun. But yeah, so to answer two questions, yes, you can definitely drift the Golf R, and then the other question would be, should you drive in summer tires? And I say you can, but you shouldn't. So anyway, thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.